Hey, good morning. This is Meir Valensky with Driving Markets. Hope you're all well. I need to put on the caveat, as per usual, that anything said in this particular video broadcast is an opinion only. It's my personal opinion. It's not advice. You don't necessarily, and you should not necessarily go and act on that advice. You can research it and, if necessary, go to a professional financial advisor or investment advisor who's licensed, and you can ask their opinion if you want advice. All I'm doing on this video is giving you my opinion, giving you a bit of a market update, etc., etc. So again, we went through all-time highs yesterday across the board in the US. Also, the DAX is reaching all-time high. The FTSE is lagging, but still trying to push up there. Results came out significantly positively for most companies. 82% of companies that have reported so far have beat analysts' expectations, which is pushing markets to all-time highs. Tesla came off yesterday around about 4%, simply because Elon Musk, who's a very, very, very unpredictable character, said that they've not yet signed the 100,000 car deal with Hertz Rent-A-Car. But in my opinion, that is a done deal. So you probably see Tesla rise up again. Very volatile stock. Furthermore, you've got the FOMC two-day meeting, which is yesterday and today. Markets are flat on the back of that, and they're just waiting to see where the FOMC is going to take us. They're probably going to announce the tapering of $120 billion. That is already, in my opinion, priced into the market. So even if they do announce it, it's already priced in. I think the market's going to take it on board and then going to continue rising. As regards yields on the 10-year Treasury, at the moment they're 1.58%. Why is that important? It's quite simple. As yields rise, then the price falls. If the price falls, it means people are putting their money elsewhere, probably into fixed interest securities in the bank account, etc., etc. If yields fall, if yields rise, then the stock market generally falls. However, the yields have risen recently and the stock market has not fallen, which means, as I said yesterday and many times, that the market is disregarding and ignoring any type of negative news. In other words, the market, which is the indices and the global stock markets, they want to go up irrespective. That's all they want to do. Whatever happens, they want to go up. They've decided they want to go up. If you look at the Dow was 35,000 10 days ago. It's now standing at 36,000, just above 36,000. That is a hell of a jump in 10 days. So the market wants to go up, and you shouldn't fight the trend. As they say, the trend is your friend, which is a very common expression. However, I always want to put that warning in that you are at all-time highs, and again, in my opinion, you need to be cautious, because if there is a downturn, then it will be quite aggressive with a lot of profit taking. Things to consider: you've still got the price of oil all-time high. You've got interest rates in Australia. The Bank of Australia stated yesterday that they're likely to increase interest sooner than later. That would be significant. Why would that be significant? Because that would be the first significant economy to increase interest rates in a long time, and that would set the trend for the rest of the world. So look at interest rates and be aware of them, because once they start rising, then you will have a increase in the yield on the US Treasury, and you'll have stock markets likely to go south. So just be aware of that. You need to watch that. Those people who are options trading, then you can look at selling some calls if you're concerned, or buying some puts. By buying a put, you're probably paying premium. By selling a call, you're probably going to gain more. You should be looking, in my opinion, when it comes to calls, take some advice on this, but look at the money or slightly out of the money on the options themselves. Okay, so you want to contact me, you can contact me on WhatsApp, on LinkedIn, on Instagram, YouTube. Comment on this YouTube. You can subscribe to the YouTube. That would help me out a lot, because once I get past a certain number of subscriptions, then I can register Driving Markets. This is Meir Valensky with Driving Markets. Have a good day. Be careful. Trade small. Put in stop losses. Put in take profits. Speak to you soon. All the best.